Introducing the Little John Digester from DO2E. The Little John Digester is a remarkably simple solution to address many water quality problems faced by wastewater professionals. This is a 10-foot diameter lift station that you can see is heavily matted with grease. You will see in less than an hour an enormous fat, oil, and grease problem will be all but eliminated. This can be installed permanently in the form of our fog manholes or used as mobile units to move from station to station or put in septic tanks. The Little John Digester is a very efficient fine air diffuser type aerator that works on the principles of an airlift pump. Low pressure, high volume air is delivered from a very reliable regenerative air pump installed outside the wet well or grease interceptor. The air is diffused through a special Venturi air manifold which has no moving parts and is maintenance-free. A combination of fine and coarse air bubbles are released in a confined space inside the digester. This creates a violent tornado effect and bubble speeds of 60 feet per second that very effectively transfers oxygen into the water column, raising dissolved oxygen levels with little energy consumed. As the bubbles rise in the Venturi air manifold, water and solids are drawn through the intake ports located on the lower bottom of the digester. The water and solids that are pulled through the digester accelerate through the manifold, and the solids are driven across stationary ridges located on the top of the digester. This acts to mechanically break down solids such as fog and organics into small particles that can be readily consumed or digested by enzymes or biological action. Household chemicals released into the waste stream have a higher specific gravity than water, stratify, and tend to lay in the bottom of the wet well or interceptor. These are pulled through the digester and initially used to help chemically break down the fog. These chemicals are then oxidized, and we typically see reduction of chemicals up to 95%. The combination of warm fresh air raising dissolved oxygen levels, mechanical breakdown and mixing of the solids, and oxidation of chemicals that are detrimental to enzymes create a perfect environment for biological action or digestion of solids. Biological digestion converts fog and other organics into harmless CO2, water, and energy. The Little John Digester, when used with AOP ozone infusion, will speed up the process while significantly reducing odors as well. Other applications are stormwater treatment, industrial wastewater treatment, mining operation, and more.